Bye.
What's up guys, it's your boy here, Joshua C. So after all the smartphone unboxing, I think it's time for something different, right? And by something different, I've just received an exclusive AIoT gift box from Roomie. And since it's named as the AIoT box, I'm pretty excited to look what's inside the box. Let's go! So before this, we've known that the Realme will be launching the Realme Watch soon. But isn't this box a little too big for just one watch? Yes, you're definitely right, because it's not just a watch inside but a few more of Realme's other AIoT products such as the Realme Watch, Realme Band, Realme Buds Neo, and the Realme 10,000 mAh power bank too. The first thing that caught my attention is this Realme Watch, the one we've been waiting for so long, and now it's finally here. Just by looking at the design, we can tell that it's pretty sleek. The Realme Watch is not too big in size or too small, so you can have a clear view of the watch display and easy access to all the features such as the heart rate monitor, workout mode, music controls, and also the SpO2 sensor that measures your blood oxygen level. Next, we have the Realme Band, which has a real-time heart rate monitor. Besides, the huge square curvy shaped display with the strap design looks simple yet premium on your wrist. Furthermore, it also has an IP68 water and dust resistance rating that is suitable for all my workout routines. And now, what I've got here is the latest Realme Buds Neo. Although the design is nothing new or fresh, but once you turn it on, the dynamic bass sound quality will definitely enhance your music enjoyment, plus the super low latency will make your gaming experience better than before. Not to mention, for the simple yet classy 10,000 mAh Realme power bank too, it can charge up to 18 watt of fast charge at a super light weight of just 216 grams. So after seeing all these AIoT products from Realme, you might be wondering, how do we link it all together? Here's how. All you need to do is just download the Realme Link app from your Google Play Store to link all your Realme AIoT products, from the Realme Band to the Realme Buds Neo, with your Realme smartphones or any other Android smartphone. So which will be your favorite Realme AIoT products? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon to catch the latest video updates. I'm Joshua C. See you next time.